Listen carefully. There is a bird inside the house. I'm going to try and make it escape. But I don't know where the hell it is. Wait, it's coming. Okay, I'm scared. There it is. It's there. Get out, you stupid bird. What are you trying to do? What the hell? Wait, open the door. I'm not attacking you. Birdie! Whoa, whoa, whoa. Stupid bird. I'm going to have to throw something at it to get it to escape. What the? Oh shit. This is crazy. You keep doing that. Did you say that? Yeah, it's crazy. What are you doing, bird? Get outside. Just get out. What the hell are you doing? Poor thing. Birdie. Whoa. Whoa. That's it. Escape. Oh, scheiße. Oh god. Are you alright, bird? Don't take your anger out of me. Bird? I'm scared. I'm very scared. Bird? Shh. GG. Good boy. Ah, poor thing. When you want to fly away, birdie, you fly away, okay? Good bird. Good birdie. Good birdie bird. Good bird. Fly away. Come on, go. Go. My god, it's dead. What is it doing? Come on, bird. Just fly. Just fly away. Got a pretty bad smack. Fly away, that's it. Well done. It's gone. And those adventures for today. I think we'll leave it at that.